Let's talk about neurons. The chief structure and functional units of the nervous system are neurons, but there are other cells in higher animals and in humans called neuroglia, which make up as much as half of the nervous system. Neuroglia play a vital role in the nutrition of neurons and their protection by myelin sheath. There are three functional types of neurons: the sensory, associative, intermediate/relay, and motor neurons in mammals. Figure 17.2 shows the following neurons. The variety of neurons in human beings. The dendrites, unlike the axon, often give a spiny look. The dendrites of certain brain cells branch profusely, giving a cell a tree-like appearance. Motor neurons have long axons that run from the C nervous system to the effector. These axons are frequently but not always myelinated. Note the presence of many granules is the cell body in the cell body and the dendrites and their absence from axon. Many central neurons have only one fiber which branches a short distance from the cell body. One branch running between the receptor side and the dorsal root ganglion in which the cell body is located, and the other branch running from the ganglion into the spinal cord or brain. Except for its terminal portion, the entire fiber is structurally and functionally of the axon type, even though the peripheral branch C ducts impulses toward the cell body. A central neuron of this type has no two dendrites, though the peripheral branch is often called a dendron because of the direction in which it conducts impulses. The neuron has protoplasmic processes arising from its cell body containing nucleus and various organelles embedded in the cytoplasm. There are two main types of cytoplasmic processes of fibers. The one which carry impulse towards the cell body is called dendron if it's a single fiber, but if smaller fibers they are called dendrites. The process of conducting impulse away from the cell body are termed axons. These may be more than a meter long in some neurons. Nestles, granules, which are a group of ribosomes associated with rough ER and Golgi apparatus, are present in the cell body. Microtubules, neurofibrils, rough endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria are present throughout the exoplasm, cytoplasm of axon of the neuron. The cell body of soma is the main nutritional part of the cell and is concerned with the biosynthesis of materials necessary for the growth and maintenance of the neuron. If the cell body of the neuron remains intact, it can regenerate axonal and dendrite fibers, but neurons, once mature, do not divide any further.